in here. Just turned up at this job in Cambridge. We are doing here a bathroom and kitchen. Currently in decorating stages, but if we go upstairs, what we have been doing is this bathroom here. I've just put this radiator back on. The bath panel's just going off, but it was a complete rip out. Build up of the floor. There's been a leak on the toilet at some point. You can see behind here. That's all dry now, but this is a new toilet, basin, bath taps and shower. That's a like for like shower. Full tile round. Yeah, that's what we've been doing in here. Currently got the water off because I'm working downstairs. But yeah, just finished up here. Put a radiator on in this bedroom, and I've put a radiator back on this bedroom. But we can't fill that up until we've done downstairs, but that needs decorating. So that's up here. Nothing too exciting. Down here we have got two rads here. One to go in the living room here, and through here we have got one behind all this stuff that needs putting back on. But this is where we'll be working now. Just under here, this kitchen sink's been going off overnight. So I've got a waste kit here and two traps, depending what we want to use for the pipe work. But under here we have got so we've got a hot here, cold here that's just draining into this bucket, trying to get 2 elbows straight away onto here. Got a waste, and we've got our main stopcock down there that we've put on and changed. We've got these flexi tails here, which are about 200 instead of 250. I think they're a bit shorter. I think it's like Howden's tap or Lamona that come with them short flexis. But the hot's just going to come up and straight onto a ball fix valve and a male line straight onto the rubber on there. This one, cold's going to come up, have a T, I believe, and then we're going to go down for a washing machine valve, which will be coming through that hole there. So that will be that, and then once that, then the waste is just going to come probably street elbow out of here, up, and then the trap on here, and then onto the waste. So pretty straightforward. So let's get that done. Here we go, so the kitchen sink all done after the time lapse. Just got my phone as a light. So you got the waste spigot there with the blue cap on, ready for the washing machine to be put in just here. That goes down through and out, the street elbow. You've got the leave valve, then we've got the washing machine valve, double check valve, up, some T's to the cold, and then the hot with some isolation valves and up. That's that all done. There you go. Nice. Right, time to switch it on. That's the lead valve turned on. All on here, all okay so far. So far so good. Let's give this a go. It's full. Let's give this a test, see if there's any weepies. Here we go. It's bound to be something over at one hand, but. Real well plumbing. Any leaks? Gotta be something, sure. Right, all good. Nearly drained. Nice. Not too bad. We'll give that a couple more before we leave. Let's quickly test that overflow and then yeah. If anything's gonna leak, it's gonna be this. Let's have a go. Nearly there. All do. Let's check under it. This thing here is normally the one, but we're good. Wow. I must be a good plumber. So far so good. Give it another drop test. Another check under it. All good there. Good. Happy days.